Hello friends, welcome to SahuStudies. In this video, we are going to discuss about day of year function in Spark SQL. So why generally we use day of year function? So it is used to return the day of the year of the date and time column or string. What does it mean? So suppose there is a requirement that we need to get the number of days from a date and time stamp from the beginning of year. So with the help of a date of year function, we can able to do it, right? So suppose uh, this is the date for no. So suppose this is the first 10th January 2024. So what would be the day of year here? So the day is 10 because this will going to start from beginning of the month. So this is the 10th day. That's why this day of year function it will going to extract or it will going to return 10th. So suppose if this one 30 0 1 0 2 2 0 2 4. If you are going to supply this date string to date of year, what the value it will going to return? It will going to return 32 because this is the February month. The number of days in the January is 31 and this is the one day in the February. So total day from the beginning of the year it would be 32. So in this way it will going to return the day of the year. So in this exercise what I am going to do, I am just creating a table. These are the attributes of the table. It has a two columns which has a date and time stamp as a value. Once this table gets created, I will going to insert records with the help of an insert statement. When the insert statement will execute successfully, then I will just write this SQL in which I will show you how day of year works in Spark SQL. So in this query, what I am just doing, I am just selecting all the columns from this table and I am just using this day of year and passing this column which has a timestamp as a value. So what it will going to do, it will take the date and it will return what is the number of days present in that particular date from the beginning of the year. And it will going to create a new column and the value will be populated accordingly. And the name of the column I have given as an alias is day of year. So now let's do this exercise over Databricks. Let me create a notebook. Let me name as a day of year. So we need to create one table and we need to insert some records in it. For this, we need to write some script. To save time, I have already created the script. Let me copy those scripts. So this script is to create the table. Let me copy it and let me paste over there. The command is running. The table is being created. Spark is still creating the table. Table has been created successfully. Let's insert some record with the help of our insert. So I have created a couple of insert statement. Let me copy from here and paste in this command cell and let me run it. Spark will going to execute these insert statements one by one. Okay, all the insert statements have been executed successfully. Let's check the data. So we can validate from here. These are the same data which we have inserted with the help of this insert statements. Now let's use day of year function. Let me format this command cell and let's see, use day of year. And here I'm going to pass this column. This column has a timestamp as a value. So let me pass this column AP leaving date, and here I'm just putting alias day of year. Let me run it. So here we can see that this is the column day of year, with the data is populating with the help of from this table, from this column AP date of joining with the help of this day of year function. So what day of year function will going to do? It will going to take the records which is in the form of timestamp. It will fetch the number of days from the beginning of month, beginning of year, which is present in this for each and every record. So for instance, this is the day 05, which is in the March month. So what is the number of days? It would be from 1st January till 5th of March. The value would be 65. Same here for 9. This is the 96. This is the day 4th April. And what the day, this 4th April, if you calculate from the beginning of the year, it would be 96. So day of year will going to see the day in a particular date or a timestamp, and it will calculate what is the number of days it would be from the beginning of year. In this video, we have seen how we can use day of year function in Spark SQL. Let's go to the PPT. Thank you. If you like content of my video, then please subscribe my channel, like it, comment on it, and press the bell icon to get notification whenever I add videos.